Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on Realme GT Neo 3. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here navigate to our app. So this one is called NotifyBuddy. Hit the search button, now select this app and install it. When the installation process is done, we can open it. From here we'll need to grant free permissions to the app. So let's go for the phone permission. Simply click allow. Next one is a bit different because you will need to locate NotifyBuddy and then change it to always. Now do the same thing with notification permission. Here's battery optimization and you can disable it. But it's optional, you don't need to do it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's proceed, click OK, and here's our app. So now choose each of the tabs, and the first one is the user, and here you can pick the apps you want to get custom LED lamp notifications for. So let's pick TikTok for this example. In the system you can find all system apps that are bound to the Android, and so here let's add, for example, Bluetooth. In active you'll find all apps that you just activated, and in the settings you'll be able to customize your LED lamp, so you can change the size, shape, color, placement on the screen, time between blinking, all kinds of stuff. But some of it are blocked behind the premium version of this app. Now let's click on the test button, and here we'll be able to see this LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.